Welcome to Lesson 21. Today we learn how to find files using find and fd, two powerful tools for searching your file system. Let us get started. The find command searches for files by name, type, size, and time. -name matches exact patterns. -iname ignores case. -type F finds files. -type D finds directories. You can also search by size and modification time and combine criteria. First, we set up our demo data directory with various files. Let us create a script to explore finding files by attributes. -name searches for files by their filename pattern. -iname does the same, but ignores uppercase and lowercase. -type filters for files only or directories only. -size with a plus sign finds files larger than the specified size. -mtime searches by modification time, and we can combine multiple criteria. Let us review the script. Now let us run and see find in action. Each find option filters results in a different way. Finding files is useful, but acting on them is even more powerful. -exec runs a command for each matched file. Using plus passes all files at once, which is faster than semicolon. Always preview with -print before using -delete. Setting up our demo data directory. Let us create a script for taking action with find. -exec with \semicolon runs the command once per file. Using plus at the end batches all files into one command, which is much faster. Always use -print first to preview what would be deleted. Piping to xargs with -print0 safely handles file names with spaces. These practical examples show common real-world find patterns. Let us review the script. Now let us run and see find actions working. Notice how exec and xargs let you process files efficiently. FD is a modern alternative to find with simpler syntax. Just type FD followed by a pattern, no flags needed. FD uses regex by default and respects gitignore. -x executes commands, -e excludes patterns. Setting up our demo data directory. Let us create a script to explore FD. FD searches by pattern with a much simpler syntax than find. The -e flag filters by file extension. -t filters by type, just like find, but shorter. FD automatically skips files in your gitignore, which is a key difference from find. -x executes a command on each match. Let us review the script. Now let us run and see FD in action. FD gives clean output and respects gitignore by default. Let us recap Lesson 21. Find attributes let you search by name, type, size, and modification time. Find actions with exec, xargs, and delete let you act on results. FD is a modern, faster alternative that respects gitignore by default. Next, working with JSON and JQ. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Hit the bell for new lesson alerts. See you in the next one.